How to fix Viber activation failed. There might be many reasons that you are facing this issue, but let's get right into the video on how you can fix this. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. In the source bar, search for Viber. Move into the application Viber. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is update the application and you'll be good to go. Now the next thing, you need to make sure that your internet connection is stable enough. Well, if your network is not working properly, then it might cause some issue on your application. So make sure it is stable enough. Now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to your settings. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Right here, search for the application Viber and then head over to it. Move into storage and cache. Right here, you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. And then you can try log into your Viber account and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix your Viber activation failed. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.